Ready to find your center amid life's chaos? We'll discover the peace of the woodlands with our Centering Pinewood Roll-on. It's a breath of calmness. It enhances your well-being. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I'm delighted to present the Centering Pinewood Roll-on Recipe. This easy DIY offers a serene experience. It helps you breathe easily while finding inner peace. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to craft your Centering Pinewood Roll-on using our premium diffuser recipe box. You can carry a touch of nature's serenity wherever you go with pure essential oils and natural ingredients. Our diffuser recipe box has everything that you will need to create the roll-on, making it simple and enjoyable to introduce calming aromas into your daily routine. When you subscribe, we will even throw in a big bonus box. Woohoo! Balancing life's demands can be very stressful, leading to moments where you struggle to find calmness. Did you know many commercial products are filled with synthetic preservatives? Yuck, that offer no natural relief. Fortunately, maintaining a centered, composed state doesn't have to be complicated or artificial. So introduce yourself to the Centering Pinewood Roll-on. Its soothing aroma supports easy breathing, helping you navigate the day with tranquility and focus. Roll on and let the forest-inspired scent deliver peace to your senses. You will appreciate how effortlessly this roll-on enhances your life. It's more than just a wellness tool. It's a tranquil escape in your busy world. So turn off your distractions because making is healing. Let's make the Centering Pinewood Roll-on from Simply Earth. For this recipe, you will need 3 drops of pine essential oil, 2 drops of whole wood essential oil, approximately 10 mils of fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 ml amber glass roll-on bottle. Let's get started. Step 1, remove the roller cap from the roll-on bottle and add the essential oils. Step 2, fill the roll-on the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Make sure to replace the roller cap, very important. Swirl to mix. To use, apply to pulse points to support calm emotions and easy breathing. So let's test it out. It smells so good. I can't get enough of how calming this roll-on is. Its comforting pinewood scent has become my go-to stress relief, adding woodland freshness to my day. It's such an excellent way to stay centered, and who doesn't need that? So don't miss out on this soothing experience. Get your diffuser recipe box from Simply Earth and start crafting your own Centering Pinewood Roll-on today. I'm so excited to see your roll-on creations. Share them on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using hashtag #IMadeThis. Join our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Woohoo! Thanks for watching.